Oh my G, grabe guys. Ang tagal kong inantay yung G22 official lyric video. Okay, sabi 12 o'clock daw. Nakailang refresh ako ng 12 o'clock. So, ayan na siya. Papapalaban. 42 minutes ago, kakagising ko lang official lyric visualizer. Let's see. Ano ba yan? Sa sobrang excitement ko, ang napindot ko yung song. Ito na, lyric video. Yan. Yan ang kanyang lyric video. Hey! 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 Oh my G. This is a song that alam ko na yung sinasabi nilang grows on you. So, hindi I said before in my song review na hindi yung song hindi para sa akin, pero oh man, this lyric video, it helped me to to listen to it again and again, to appreciate this song. And wow, ang ganda pala. So nakatulong yung music video. Ewan ko kung if there's what magic. Come on, bullets, let's go, let's go. Papapalaban, papapalaban, papapalaban is a good song and has a good lyric video. Althea, Jazz, AJ, welcome back. Let's go.